Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to this brand new video for the channel. Do you know what is the best binary option application, software, strategy, robot, indicator, whatever is it that you actually call it? Do you know which one is it? In this specific video, I'm actually going to talk to you about the BLW Turbo strategy, but additionally, I'm going to give you some extra spoiler alerts in regards to this specific application that I have been testing it in 15 minutes. There's a lot of people that actually have told me that they don't have 5 minutes on their broker, or the payout is not that good in 5 minutes, or sometimes the pairs are actually closed in a 5-minute period. So that we actually prefer that you could have 15-minute expiry. So I've been doing some back testing and some real testing in my broker account with the 15-minute trades, and in this video I want to show you my results. So my name is Christian and this is the BLW online trading channel, and in this specific YouTube channel I do a lot of trading videos in regards to binary options, forex, and soon stock trading as well. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. That being said, let's jump into the video. Hey, before I jump into this video, I want to recommend you to follow me on Instagram, as I always post updates either beforehand on then YouTube, because on YouTube it takes a whole or sometimes 2 days before I actually post the video that I'm recording today, for example. But on Instagram I actually share real-time stuff, so definitely you should follow me there and be part of my social network. So the BLW Turbo strategy app is actually an application that I built myself with this bare hands. That basically what it does is that it provides you with calculations or predictions in regards to the 5-minute trades that you can have right here. As you can see, I have my chart written right here, and right now I actually have them 15 minutes, which is absolutely awesome. And right now, one of the cool things that you can know in regards to this specific application is that it works for 5, and now I've tested it for 15 minutes. Now, does it work? I'm gonna tell you right now. But basically what the application does is that it provides you with an alert, with a sound and also an alert, and it tells you when to enter for a put or a buy or a call option, a binary option, and basically it tells you 5 minutes prior to the entry point. Now, in order to understand this, I actually created not just the application but also a masterclass. Once you're already logged in, you can go to already student, or to log in you can go to the already a student, and here is where you are going to get your training. Now, this training is actually going to show you how to use the application, what to avoid, what pairs to use, what is extra. And additionally, I added a new lesson where I actually added an upgrade. Sorry for saying actually that many times. I added an upgrade that what it does is that it will just send you signals based on the trend. Now, at the beginning of any training or any strategy that I give you, I always tell you, you should respect the trend. And this strategy itself actually does respect the trend, this application. Now, what I did in this upgrade is that you will only get put signals when there's a downtrend and call signals when there's an uptrend. Now, obviously it's not 100% guaranteed that it's going to be in the money, but increases the accuracy a lot. You can see right now I'm actually going to change it to 5 minutes in order to show you how does it work in 5 minutes. Just these 3, and the other ones are going to be for 50 minutes. So take a look at this arrow. This arrow says that you should enter for 5 minutes. I'm not going to say which of the candles you're going to enter, because in order to know that, you need to be in the training. The ones that are in the training, they know what I'm talking about. In addition, one of the cool things about this indicator is that it will, like for instance right here, you see a downtrend and you don't see any call signal. All of them are actually put signals, right? So that is one of the coolest things in regards to this specific application. Now, if you notice right here, when you see the candle, you see at least 3 more candles or 4 more candles going down, right? Even when the signal appears. So when it appears, one was down, then the other one up, then the next one was actually down on this one until this one, and it continued with the drop. This one right here, the first one was a green one, but the second one was a down one. This one, it was a down, then up, then down, then up, then super down. And this one right here was down, 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 and down, 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 and so on. Now, why is it that I'm showing you? Because based on this specific like scenario that you're watching right now, it means that it could work for 15 minutes, right? So if you can only place trades for 5 minutes, or you can't play trades for 5 minutes, then it means that you probably are able to place them for 15 minutes. Does that make sense? What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna take a look at my results where I place those trades, and I'm gonna tell you exactly how I did it. So going to my broker account, we are on Pocket Option trading account, and these are my results. Ever since what happens, I haven't posted a video in a while. Take a look at it. I placed one trade. This was for 5 minutes. This doesn't count as a 15 on August the 20th. We're gonna count it anyways, but it wasn't for 15 minutes. It was just for 5 minutes. Then on the 26th, I placed one trade. I know what you probably are saying, like, hey, you don't place any trades. And sometimes I don't. I have too many broker accounts, and I try to give you as much education as I can. So sometimes I'm actually trading Forex, sometimes IQ options, sometimes I'm doing the auto trader, sometimes Pocket Option, and so on. It's gonna all crazy. Don't worry, I can manage it, but that's the reason why you don't see daily trades. Okay. On the 26th, we actually won this position for $60. Then we continue with this account, and right now we actually lost 2 in a row. I was actually testing in 15 minutes, so that's the reason why I continued. This was yesterday, by the way. And then we won 1, we lost another one, then we won 1, 2, 3, 4. One of the things that I actually did wrong, and I'm gonna tell you why is it that I did what I did in order to improve the results in a bit. And today's trade, we actually won it as well. Now, why did I lose? And let me go ahead and let's see the results. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 losses, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wins. So it's 7 out of 11. That's a 63%. If you want to see it without the 1 to 50 minutes, it's 70%. And I can keep on, I'm going to keep on actually testing it in 15 minutes. But this is what I actually see the most. Ever since this trade, I started winning all of them. Now, why is that actually happened? And by the way, I am not trading for 10, 15, 10, 20. Remember that with Pocket Option, you only select the time frame, and it will expire at 0, 5, 0, 10, 15, 20, depending on the time that you actually place the trade. Okay, hard to explain, but I guess if you're using Pocket Option, you understand what I mean. Now, one thing that I actually did is that I was actually waiting for the next candle to enter the position. Okay, I was waiting for the next candle, but this time I actually entered the position at the moment that I got the alert, and I got way better results. Okay, that doesn't necessarily mean that you can get the same results. That's why I'm gonna be testing it, and you can test it as well in demo. But it's definitely a game changer, because in the end, we're talking about a strategy that could be above 90% in the money with way less emotions involved, and an application that you already have. By the way, if you don't have the application and you're like, whoa, what is this guy talking about? You can go to blwturbostrategy.com, and I'm gonna have the link below in the description of this video, and there you're gonna find out all the information. But just to give you a sum up of what it is, the BLW Turbo Strategy is an application that I created for binary options only, and it's an algorithm, okay, that you need to install in your MT5. I provide you with everything, including the training and everything. Here's a sneak peek as to how it works and so on, and take advantage of the discounted price that we have right now. Okay, so go to blwturbostrategy.com. So if you're part of the training already, you know what is it that I did differently, and you know what you can do right now starting off today. So my recommendation is this: start with demo, start testing it in 15 minutes anytime you have free. All right, after you or before, I would prefer after your session, your regular session, and let me know in the comment section the results that you are having with 15 minutes. Obviously, there's gonna be less trades than usual, because with 5 minutes you can place like 5, 10 trades within 1 or 2 or 3 hours at the most. But with 15 minutes, it will take a lot more time. It will take probably, I would say you can place 3, 4 trades within a 5-hour time frame, which is fine if you're a full-time day trader. But if you have a job, you probably will require some shorter terms or times or whatever. So I hope you understood exactly what is it that I'm doing with this specific strategy. And if you're interested in getting, go ahead and get it. It's not a sales video. You can always trade manually. You don't really need to depend on any application or algorithm whatsoever. But if you, in case you need that last push or that last analysis, you don't want to do the analysis, or you don't feel comfortable like with the analysis, then I highly recommend you to get the BLW Turbo app. And it works 24 hours, 5 days a week, from Monday through Friday. So I hope this video really helps you guys out, and let me know what the results are that you have in demo. And thank you very much for watching this video. If in case you have any questions, you can put it on the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer those comments as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next one.